Being a woman managing the farm, ignoring what all being said and done was quite draining. 4 years, 1 lakh kilometers of self and solo driving between Chennai and Gudur. Most of the times, returning on the same day after managing the farm was challenging. But all these efforts made it worthwhile when our customers come back and ask specifically for our own farm produce, be it the little kovakas or the farm fresh govas. They always stood out in taste and flavor. Sometimes the best thing to do is to stop talking and start working.